30 centimeters of veil net, a plastic or metal comb clip, 30 centimeters piece of thread fold in half, a scissors, a glue gun. Take the net and start pleating as shown. This will not be neat, it's okay. Twist the pleated net slightly as shown. Take the thread and wrap around the pleated net. Tie knot to secure and cut with the scissors as shown. Make sure the glue gun is plugged in and ready to use. Add a pea-size amount of hot glue to the comb clip, then add your styled net as shown. Be careful not to burn yourself.